Is your dog acting off? But you can't figure out why? What if they're hiding pain and you're completely missing it? Don't wait until it's too late. Watch now to learn the 8 subtle signs your dog is hurting, and how catching them early could save their life. Ever noticed your dog moving like it's walking on eggshells? They might be trying to protect a sore spot. Picture this: a hunched back or a stiff spine. Could be back pain or arthritis sneaking up on them, and that tail tucked between their legs. It's not just fear, it might be a sign they're hurting, sitting awkwardly or leaning to one side. Classic signs that often fly under the radar. Dogs are masters at hiding pain. It's a survival instinct, just like their wild ancestors. Even wolves in the wild mask pain to avoid predators. Nature's poker face. Ever tried to pet your dog and they flinch away? They might be guarding a painful spot, limping or favoring one leg. They could be hiding an injury under all that fur. Look into their eyes. Changes in expression or frequent blinking can be pain indicators. Take German Shepherds, for example. Hip problems often make them walk low with a hunched back. Compare your dog's posture daily. Spot those subtle shifts early. Ever seen your dog sitting weirdly for no reason? Share your stories in the comments below. Ever noticed your dog acting a bit off? Pain can be a sneaky culprit behind sudden mood swings. Imagine your usually chill pup turning into a grumpy furball. Yep, pain can make them irritable. Or how about this? Your social butterfly suddenly becomes a loner. That's a silent cry for help. And if your dog starts snapping or growling, it might be because touching them hurts. Dogs don't act out for no reason. They're trying to tell us something through their behavior. Ever scolded your dog for being grumpy? It might just be pain, not bad behavior. Picture this: trying to brush your dog's teeth and they snap at you. Dental pain could be the reason. Dogs might bite back when they're in pain to protect themselves. Approach your dog cautiously and keep an eye on any changes in their usual temperament. Notice your dog pacing or looking restless. That could be a sign they're in pain. Did you know? Research in 2024 shows chronic pain often leads to anxiety and depression in dogs. Even the best dogs have bad days when they're hurting. It's not just us humans. Has your dog ever surprised you with a sudden grumpy moment? Share your stories. Let's hear about those unexpected grumpy dog moments in the comments below. Ever caught your dog licking or chewing themselves like there's no tomorrow? They might be trying to soothe some pain or irritation, but beware! Excessive licking can lead to nasty sores or infections. Common hotspots, paws, joints, ears, or even surgical sites. Take bulldogs, for example. Those adorable skin folds can be a real itch fest. Licking releases endorphins, which are like natural painkillers for dogs. Notice your dog licking more than usual? It might be time to investigate. Regularly check their paws and skin to catch any wounds early. Chewing can also be a sign of allergies or even nerve pain. Got an older dog? They might lick their joints to cope with arthritis pain. Did you know? Dogs can develop lick granulomas, painful skin lesions from too much licking. Think of it as your dog's way of self-medicating. So, where does your dog obsessively lick? Let us know in the comments. Ever noticed your dog breathing like they just ran a marathon, even when they're just lying around? These sneaky changes in their breathing can be easy to miss, right? Dogs with chest pain or internal injuries might pant like they're in a sauna. Here's a pro tip for you. Know your dog's normal breathing rate. It's a game changer. Fun fact: a chilled out dog breathes about 10-30 times a minute. Cool, huh? And get this, dogs might yawn a lot when they're in pain. Who knew yawning could be a red flag? Breathing changes can also tag along with anxiety. Ever seen your dog look worried and breathe fast? Especially older dogs with heart issues. Their breathing can get all out of whack when they're in pain. Check your dog's breathing when they're snoozing. Fewer distractions, more clues. Science alert. Recent studies show a strong link between pain and changes in the autonomic nervous system. So, have you ever caught your dog breathing faster than usual while just chilling? Let us know. And if you are enjoying these dog tips, hit subscribe for more tail-wagging fun. Ever noticed your dog turning their nose up at their favorite meal? Pain can be a sneaky culprit behind those sudden changes in eating habits. From losing their appetite to becoming picky eaters, it's like they're saying, "Nope, not today." Dental or mouth pain can make them refuse food altogether. Or maybe they start eating super slowly, like they're savoring every bite. Some dogs even drink more water if pain is stressing them out. Or they might drink less, leading to dehydration. Here's a pro tip: keep an eye on their food and water intake daily. For instance, dogs with pancreatitis or abdominal pain often lose interest in food, and when they stop eating, it can lead to weight loss, making pain management even tougher. Some dogs turn into food snobs when they're hurting, avoiding their regular meals like they're on a diet. Watch out for vomiting or excessive drooling, which can be signs of oral pain. Changes in appetite are often the first signs that attentive owners notice. Has your dog ever shocked you by suddenly refusing their favorite treat? It's their way of saying, something's not right. Ever noticed your dog struggling to get comfy in bed? It might be more than just a quirky habit. Picture this. It's the middle of the night and your furry friend is pacing, whining, or just can't seem to settle down. Sound familiar? Pain can turn their nights into a restless ordeal, leading to either too much sleep or poor sleep quality. Not fun, right? Here's a tip. Create a cozy, supportive sleeping area to help ease their discomfort. Think of it as their personal spa. Especially for our senior pups, like those with arthritis, frequent wake-ups due to joint stiffness are common. Poor babies. As they age or deal with chronic pain, restlessness can become a nightly routine. It's tough getting old. Soft music or white noise can work wonders in soothing a restless dog. Who knew they had a taste in music? Keep an eye on their nap times or if they seem extra lethargic during the day. It's all connected. Does your dog ever seem restless or uncomfortable while sleeping? Share your stories, and let's be real, even dogs hate tossing and turning all night. It's a universal struggle. Ever heard your dog whine, yelp, or growl out of the blue? It might be more than just a quirky habit. Some dogs only vocalize when they're moving or being touched. Others, they go all quiet on us. And let's be honest, how many times have we mistaken those sounds for just wanting attention? Guilty as charged? Take ear infections, for example. Your pup might whine more because of the discomfort. Keep a note of when and how often your dog vocalizes. It's like detective work for dog parents. Some dogs are naturally the strong, silent type. So any new sound? Big deal. And did you know? Anxiety from chronic pain can ramp up those vocalizations too. So, has your dog ever started whining or growling out of nowhere? Share your stories in the comments! Ever noticed your dog's eyes looking like saucers? Those dilated pupils might be a sign of pain or stress. And what about that mysterious bump or redness under the fur? Could be an injury or infection lurking there? If your pup's trembling like it's auditioning for a thriller movie. Even when calm, it might be dealing with some pain. Regular gentle body checks can help you catch these sneaky signs early. Have you tried it? Sometimes those mild tremors are more than just a chill. Nerve pain or inflammation could be the culprit. Swelling near joints or soft tissues can be so subtle, it's like a game of hide and seek. Are you up for the challenge? Picture this. Your dog wakes up and starts shivering. It might not just be cold. Pain could be the hidden reason. Did you know your dog's pupils can change size due to pain-triggered nervous system responses? It's like a built-in alarm system. Do you regularly check your dog's body for these subtle changes? If not, now's the time to start. And if your dog starts starring in the shaking show, it might be time for a vet visit. Better safe than sorry, right? Now you know the signs your dog might be hurting. Spotting them early can make all the difference. Here's a quick bonus. Dogs often hide pain to protect us, so trust your gut if something feels wrong. Up next, if your dog's acting restless or destructive, check out if your dog does this. They're crazy bored. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life-saving pet tips.